Let's talk about what's online in our catalog for genealogists. Our catalog is not a genealogy database, so for the most part, you're not going to be able to type in a name and find records for your ancestor. When we describe our records, we're ensuring that our holdings fit into an archival hierarchy. Our records are described with a title and a summary called a scope and content note, and would not necessarily include all the names within a record. There are names within records, but we need to read them to discover them. You can think of our online catalog as a place to supplement your research. You have to think about how your ancestor interacted with the federal government. Did they serve in the military? Would they have appeared in a court case? Did they apply for a pension or receive a bounty land warrant? Our records are records made for or by the U.S. federal government, so we're not going to have state, county, municipal, or church records. This means we won't have driver's licenses or marriage licenses. Those are issued by the state. But we will have naturalization records, military records, federal personnel records, census records, and letters written to presidents from citizens. Most of our records are at least 20 to 30 years old. 95% of our records are described at the series level in our catalog. As we continue to accession new records into the National Archives, our goal is to maintain that level of 95% described. This doesn't mean that everything is digitized and available in the catalog, but it does mean that you have insight into what records are available, where records are located, and which reference unit you can contact for more information. We encourage you to consult our catalog guide for genealogists, which outlines what types of records you can expect to find in our catalog and tips for searching. The holdings of the National Archives are growing all the time, and we're adding more digital objects to our catalog each week, so you're likely to find something new every time you search.